Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about Microsoft Paint. So let's get right into the video. So firstly I will tell you the what is Microsoft Paint. Basically Microsoft Paint is a simple raster graphic editor that has been included with all versions of the Microsoft Windows. The program opens and saves the file in Windows with the extension bitmap, JPEG, GIF, PNG and single page TIFF formats. The program can be in color mode or two color which are black and white, but there is no grayscale mode in the Microsoft Paint application. So now let's move further towards the steps to open Microsoft Paint. Basically there are three steps to open Microsoft Paint. First one, you have to click on Start button. Then you have to go on Windows Accessories, and in Windows Accessories you have to click on the Paint. And finally you will get your result. It means finally you will get your window which is look like this. At the top of this window, title bar is given. Then second one is menu bar. In menu bar we have the three options. First one file, second one home, and the third one is view. And after menu bar we have the toolbar. In toolbar we have the lots of tools. First one ribbon bar box, second one color box, and the third one is quick access toolbar. And the blank area is known as the work area. So let's discuss about the all features one by one. So first feature is title bar. At the very top we have the title bar which is written as Untitled Paint. Once you save your file, the name Untitled will be replaced by the name you assign your drawing. It means when you finish your work and save it, you will get your name at the top. Second one is menu bar. Basically menu bar consists of the three menu. First one file menu, second one home menu, third one is the view menu. File menu is creating for the new file, saving, printing, setting as desktop background and so on. Second one is home menu. Basically home menu is used for undoing, redoing and copying and pasting for the text. Third one is the view menu. View menu is for the displaying toolbox, color box, status bar, text toolbar, zooming and viewing bitmap images. And the third one is the toolbox. Basically toolbox is very useful because it contains the tools you will use in order to come up with your drawing. In toolbox we have the lots of tools like brushes, text, paint, color picker and the shapes and so on. Now let's discuss about it one by one. Basically there are 15 tools in the MS Paint application. First one pencil tool, second one eraser tool, third one line tool, fourth one curve tool, fifth one brush tool, sixth one oval tool, seventh one rectangle tool, eighth one fill with color tool, ninth color picker tool, 10th one rounded rectangle tool, 11th one polygon tool, 12th text tool, 13th freeform selection tool, 14th rectangle selection tool, and the last one is magnifier tool. So let's discuss about all the tools one by one. First one is pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw a single pixel at a time. We can drag the pencil tool and create a 1 pixel wide line. Using the pencil tool with the left mouse button draws the pixel using the primary color, and by right mouse button we can select the secondary color. Second one is eraser tool, or you can say rubber tool. Basically rubber tool is used to erase the part of the picture. When you erase a portion, it will be filled with the default background color which you have chosen already. Now let's discuss about the third one, line tool. The line tool allows you to draw a 2-point line on the canvas. Lines can be drawn as vector shapes, path or the pixel. Now let's move further towards the fourth one. Fourth one is curve tool. This tool is used to draw lines and the curves. These two abilities are grouped into a single tool because a line is actually perfectly straight curve. It means you can draw a straight line as well as curve by curve tool. Now let's move further towards the fifth tool, brush tool. It is a part of the painting tool which set the may include pencil tools, pen tools, fill color and many others. It allows the user to paint on a picture or photograph with the selected color. And the next one is the oval tool, basically used to create circular shapes such as ovals and circles. This shape can be comprised of strokes, which are lines that surround and define the shape, fills, which are a color or texture inside the shape or the both. Now let's talk about the seventh one, rectangle tool. This tool is used to define rectangular or circular selections. Click, hold and drag the mouse to create a selection in the rectangle shape. The initial click point defines one corner of the selection rectangle. And the next one is fill with color tool. Basically it is used to fill the image or part of the image with different colors. It means whatever color you have selected, we will fill that color easily. And the next one is color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to match any color in an image. You can pick the color from the image using the color picker tool and fill that color in any other image or the text. Next one is the rounded rectangular tool. Rounded rectangular tool used to create rectangular shapes and paths such as shape outlines with the rounded corners. It means you can round the corners of the rectangle tool. And the next one is the polygon tool. The polygon tool is basically a line tool. Expect that when you right click somewhere after drawing a line, it will draw another line from the last drawing position to the current position. And the next one is the text tool. This tool allows text to be typed onto the current layer using the primary color. The text control in the toolbar can be used to change the font, the size of font, formatting, text rendering mode, justification, anti-aliasing and the blend mode of the text. Now let's talk about the next one, the freeform selection tool. Basically it allows you to draw freely without the restriction of a certain shape. This tool is used to be more similar to a paintbrush, pencil, pen tool of graphic design applications. Now let's move further towards the next tool, 14th one, rectangle selection tool. This tool is used to define rectangular or square selections. Click, hold and drag the mouse to create a selection in the rectangular or the square shape. Now let's move further towards the last one, magnifier tool. Magnifier tool in Paint is used to zoom in and zoom out the picture whenever we required. And finally we will talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of the MS Paint application. So let's discuss about the advantages of MS Paint. It only allows user to resize, rotate and merge images. The program has a small brushes, set of pens and the set of the other drawing tools. Now let's discuss about the disadvantages of the MS Paint application. Basically, it does not support for multiple layers. When an artist creates a graphic image from scratch, he or she often does it in multiple layers. There is no filter and retouching options. There is no smudge tool in MS Paint application and basically it does not support for the other operating systems. That's all about the Microsoft Paint application. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.